January 7th, 2020. I think on my last video I said it was 2019. I gotta get used to this 2020. It's only been 7 days, so I think I said 2019 on it. But, you have to forgive me. It's 7 days into the new year, and I'm just not quite to 2020 yet. So, I think I said in my last video about the triangles of the spouts. And so I just wanted to add that. And I was kind of watching the sunset, and it looked kind of strange up to the right of the sun there. Like there's something solid there. There's a cloud by it, but there's like a hole almost underneath that circle cloud above it. But that looks kind of solid to me, so I was just kind of looking at it, kind of wondering, that's right close to this, where the spouts are, so I wonder exactly what that is. So I'll just kind of watch the sunset and see what that does there. That hole that I'm looking at just above there, the sun on the right there, it actually looks like there might be something there. I mean, because the sky is blue, but that looks a little different. So I'm wondering if I'm looking at something solid in that circle there. It sure looks like something solid. I was looking at another video this morning, someone else's, and they had the same thing in their sky. It looked like, somebody said like something stacked up on top of each other. It looks real solid, like different looking. So that sundog I saw was on the kind of right side below that circle. So I wonder if what I'm looking at, that round area, is actually a round stellular core there. And I'm looking maybe at the actual solid part of the stellular core, where it's kind of really, really dark in there. I'm wondering if that's an actual stellular core matter that we're looking at, And what if that is? Oh my word. I think that we will all see, more and more of this, and be able to see actually more matter of some of these stellular cores as they get bigger and, keep gathering energy and size and everything. I think we're going to get more pictures and videos of it, of lots of them, that are all over the place. I was reading in God's Word today in Mark chapter 13, talking about the return of Christ and how the stars are falling to the earth. In this one version, the New American Standard, it says that the stars are falling to the earth. See, that's one of the signs. And if that's, that's what these are. These are stellular cores. These are cores of stars. So, and they're falling to the earth. And, you can watch that on live meteors. You can see the plasma coming in. At least I think that's what it is. The white one is kind of, white stellar cores. The blue ones are like blue stellar cores, and some come in 2, 3 at a time in the middle section. And there's a stream coming in that's black, and it's really wide, wider than I've ever seen. It started on the 24th of December coming in, and I'm not sure what it is, but it's some type of plasma, a different kind. So I'm kind of waiting to see what kind of clouds we're going to have from that, which kind of plasma we're going to have in the atmosphere here in our skies and and what it'll be doing. So if we're seeing something really strange lately, clouds that are really different, that started on December 24th, a different stream coming in, which I've never seen. But I've watched these other streams of plasma come in, and sometimes they're just balls of plasma coming in. We have a constant flow of plasma coming in through our atmosphere to the Earth from space, whether it be like 3 that are connected to each other that are similar in their particles, or just one after another coming in of the same kind. And for some reason they're coming in streams, either from another planet that's out there, which is very close to Earth. Another one is out there, a big one, or just from outer space, in space somewhere. But you can watch on there, and that's what I think those streams are. And actually, the stuff coming in all the time that's got 2, 3 attached to them, they're like in a row connected to each other, but they're not connected to each other. I think that, like I said, they're of the same kind of made up of same particles. But they're all small, coming in, most of them. A few big ones, but it's supposed to be like meteors, right? But I actually think that these streams are not meteors. I think that the streams are plasma. Just wanted to mention that because I've been watching that for years. So, and these streams only started in the past year or so. Anyways, that's what that looks like a solid thing hanging there, kind of round. And let me zoom in a little bit and take a closer look at that there. So I just wanted to share this video.